inspired me too much.
Hi, sweetie pie.
It's like bigger than the other one.
Hey, Mr. Bina.
Thank you, Mr. Bina.
Oh, you know what?
Yeah. I'm gonna put this for cake on there. What'd you say? Oh, right. Your mama got you. Ooh, what yours say? Niece of the bride. How cute. Let me
I gotta wait till I get it made in 10 minutes. I gotta wait till you know, over that door fully to go over there. They sit up to July 1st.
Okay, thank y'all so much for coming out. I really appreciate it. Everybody that helped out.
Where's she at?
I really appreciate you guys all coming out and celebrating us and being here on this day. It worked out perfectly because y'all all are here. So we're just gonna toast to me and Jackie being together in love and our family and friends coming. We really appreciate y'all. So cheers! Cheers!
Thank the fathers and speak, huh?
Yeah.
I'd like to just say thank y'all for coming out. And Jackie, this young man right here has been a real blessing to my daughter. I mean, the highest compliment that somebody can tell a man who's dating their daughter is that if I was to leave this world right now, I know she would be in safe hands.
Aww.
And that's the highest compliment you can give somebody. This is one heck of a young man right here. He was raised good. And I thank God for you.
I am
Jackie's oldest sister. I'm so proud of him today, for him finding his true love, for him really putting his love out there and really uniting with Neek.
I'm Jackie's mother. I'm speaking on behalf of my husband and I'd like to welcome Neek to our family. You are a jewel and couple, and wish them the best of life can offer. And I love you guys.
And I'm a friend of Tony and Sabrina's. And I came into Sabrina, I knew Tony for years, but Sabrina came into my life later on. She was my minor son's caretaker for a number of years. When I first seen Neek, she was my type of girl because she was a girly girl. So she won my heart right there. So the narrative should go something like this. Nice guy meets nice girl.
Yes.
And in saying all that, this is going to make an awesome story. But if I had to say anything to you, I would say, let no one come between your marriage. Fight for it. Keep your business to yourself and give God the glory. And you'll be together to the end. And I want to toast to that.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, for those that don't know, I'm her little cousin. But I was always like the little one trying to be grown with her. I was just telling my mom, like, Mom, you remember I used to be pressed to come out here to Romulus? Like, we used to go ride the Mustang, ride on the boat. We had all the fun. I wasn't supposed to have a Facebook. They was condoning my Facebook or whatever. We grown now. We grown. I got a whole kid. We grown. But I'm so happy for you. I love you so much. And I can't wait to see this new journey for you.